Alright, what's up, Savages? So today I wanted to show you the new flashlight I got. I picked this up at LA Police Gear. It's a LA Police Gear brand flashlight.
I didn't get you today.
Yeah, you did. I didn't know what was smoking. Turns out I should have picked up a pair of underwear too. What's up, Savages? Today I wanted to go over this little LA Police Gear flashlight I just picked up today. It's an LA Police Gear brand. I had a buddy at work pick one up. I don't know if it's this exact same model. It had really good reviews from him. I needed a new flashlight. As most of you guys know, I'm a federal law enforcement officer. Working in law enforcement, you need a flashlight. Started off my career in the United States Border Patrol out on the southwest border, and flashlights are absolutely imperative. So I want to do a little unboxing for you guys today. Alright, so this is the box it comes in. It says it has 1050 lumens on the highest setting, 600, 215 lumens all the way on the lowest setting. So 4 different settings. We'll show you guys that later. It's got a nylon carry-in case. I'll probably throw that right on my gun belt so I can carry it on my gun belt. I don't always wear my gun belt at work, so more likely than not this thing's going to sit right in my pocket. I did check it out in the store today. They had the pants that I wear for work, and they let me try it out in that little side pocket that I have for the pants I wear at work. I did already open this as well. I put the battery in it so we wouldn't waste time doing it here. But this essentially is the flashlight. I wanted a flashlight that did not have any strobe. I wanted a flashlight that had high lumens. 1050 is definitely going to be good. I wanted a flashlight that was rechargeable, and this is, and we'll show you guys that a little bit later. And I also wanted a flashlight that if I'm holding it with my firearm in one hand, and we can show this later, and I can just depress the button, turn on the flashlight, and it doesn't stay on. I can just barely press it and it goes on. So this actually fit everything that I needed. In addition to this box, it comes with a charging cable. Now, according to the box, this will act as a battery backup or like a source backup if I need to charge my phones or any other device. We're also going to try that a little bit later on in the video to see how it works and if it works to show you guys at home. So a little charging cable. You can charge your flashlight with this, or hopefully we can charge our cell phones with it. Comes with an extra button on the back in the event that this button gets worn out or broken or whatever the case is, as well as 2 O-rings for here, this attachment site and this attachment site. I also switched the clip on this. What's nice is you can put the clip here, have it face down, or you can put it here and have it face the other way. Now, this did say that it comes with instructions, a user manual, where it says included. And I didn't see a user manual. I don't know if it fell out in the car, because as soon as I got to the car, I got to be honest with you guys, I opened it up and wanted to play with it. I couldn't find a user manual, but I wanted to show you guys what it looked like today. So this is pretty much it. Let's get to how it actually works. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you the 4 different settings that this thing has. There's a push button on the back. You can barely push it and it goes on, or you can push it all the way and it holds on. I don't know if you guys can see this. We'll show you a little bit later when the lights go out, but this is going to be the lowest setting here. There's a little button right here that you can press right on the side, a little gray button. Gets a little bit brighter. That's the high setting, and then this is the highest setting. This is 1050 lumens. Again, you guys probably can't tell too much. You'll see it better in the dark. But really easy to operate. One of the things that I like about it is if it's on the high setting now, I turn this off, I turn it back on, it's going to stay on the high setting. I don't have to cycle through a bunch of settings. Again, if it's on, let's say, the medium setting, I turn it off, I turn it back on, it's still back on that medium setting. So you can set it to kind of whatever you want. On the other side here, you see the charging port. Opens up kind of like your cell phone. And it takes a mini USB. This right here. And then the other side to this charger is a USB. So you can plug a USB cable, it goes right into a computer, or you can get like a wall attachment for it. We're also going to see if this charges our cell phones. Alright, well, follow us over to the cell phone charging, and then we will show you what it looks like in the dark. Alright guys, so I have two different cell phones. I have my personal cell phone, which is a Samsung Galaxy Note, something like that. And then I have my work phone that's issued to me, which is an iPhone. Now, I heard this doesn't work on the larger or newer iPhones. We're going to see if it works on this one. Alright. So we are going to plug this bad boy in here. Try the iPhone first, since it's not supposed to work on it. Now what's nice is it's got a female end to the USB and the male end, so. Alright, we'll plug it in. I think we have to turn this on first. That light will turn green and then it'll turn red, and sure enough, look at that, 26% and charging. So this thing will work to charge your cell phone in the event that you need it. In the event that you need another source to charge your cell phone, you're out somewhere, you have your flashlight, you don't have an availability to plug your phone in anywhere, this will charge. And it's charging my government issued iPhone, so. Let's see how it works on the Samsung Galaxy Note, whatever this is. I'll turn it off. So like I said, you're going to turn it on. That light will turn green, the light will come on. Light goes off, that turns red, and it's charging. You can see the little red light coming on my phone. So yeah, it looks like it does charge both of these phones. According to the box, this thing does, it says it's ideal for travel, survival, or in the car. And that the Expedition, which is the name of this light, also serves as a backup power source for mobile phones and other rechargeable USB electronic devices. So actually, I didn't know that when I first purchased this. I purchased it because it had all the other features I wanted. The fact that it does this as well, I think, is super cool. I think that is an awesome feature that it has. So, well, without further ado, let's turn off these lights and see how it does in the dark. Alright guys, so we're going to do a low light and then we're going to do like a no light. So this is at the lowest setting for this flashlight. And we'll cycle through all the different settings. So this is the lowest. Marine proof, here's the button. There's the medium setting. That's the high setting, and then the ultra high, the 1050 lumens, is going to be that setting. So I think it lights up the area really well. I was carrying a Phoenix before. I've carried Pelican. I've carried Surefire. And for the size of this flashlight, I think this is the best that I've carried so far, particularly for the price point, which we'll cover at the end of this video. Alright, we'll go to a no light setting next, guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is going to be like your no light scenario, or very, very, very little light scenario. And this is what it's going to look like on the lowest setting. It's going to be your medium setting. That looks like actually the ultra high. Maybe I started off on the medium, we'll see. No, that is the ultra high, wow. Okay. So I thought that last setting, because it was so bright, maybe it's because it's so dark in here, was the highest setting, but this is actually the highest setting. What we're going to do next is we're going to go outside and see how far of a beam this throws. So go ahead and follow us out there. Alright guys, so we're about 50 yards, a little bit less than that, away from the wall of the tree at the end of this walk here. I'm going to see how well it lights it up on the highest setting. Wow, looks like it lights up the entire area from the left to the right. Lights that tree up really well. And yeah, looks like it does a really good job. So, definitely... Oh!
Dang it, I need a flashlight!
It definitely looks like it lights up the area from a distance. Alright guys, so we took a look at this Expedition Rechargeable Light from LA Police Gear. Just wanted to show it to you guys today. I was super excited about the purchase. One of the things I was really excited about is it's a $40 flashlight.
What? This thing was... Wow, it was only 40 bucks.
Yeah, and you know what? Today, actually, I think for this week or something like that, or around these times, it's 17.76% off.
Dude, 40 bucks would have been a lot better than me falling over that dang wall. That hurt. Yeah, get one.
Yeah, I went in there today, guys. I was expecting to pay $80 to $100. That's what you're going to pay for some of these other flashlights. Like I said, I've owned a ton of other flashlights. Phoenix, Surefire, Pelican. You end up paying a lot of money for some of these lights. and for $40, and it doing everything I want and more. I couldn't be happier. So if you guys are interested in a new flashlight, I would recommend it. LA Police Gear did not give this to us. They're not sponsoring this video or anything. In fact, they don't even know that we're doing it. I just really like the flashlight, and I wanted to do an unboxing and reveal for you guys and show you a little bit about it. If you guys have a flashlight that you like, or you have any questions about this, we'll put up LA Police Gear's link right here. And we'll also put it in the description below. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, because we're always doing gear reviews or instructional videos or just some funny stuff. And if there's something you guys want to see that we don't do, drop us a comment in the section below.
I really appreciate the gift, man. It means a lot from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for buying me this.
You need it.
Right.
Alright guys, well, we appreciate you guys watching, and as always, stay savage. That's the lowest setting. That's the medium setting.
My bad. Sorry. I'm in shot. My bad.